How to check if your crossline laser level is out of accuracy. How to check whether your crossline laser level has accuracy deviation. Ensure that it is always within the required range, and it's working properly for your projects. Got a new laser level? Here's how to make sure it's accurate with a simple self-check before starting work. Turn on the laser level and make sure it enters self-leveling mode. Then, mark the intersection of the laser lines on the wall. There are 2 points. One is the intersection point A of the crossline center, and the other is the marked point B at the extended end of the horizontal laser line. Note: the distance between the 2 points should be 16.4 feet, 5 meters. Move and adjust the laser level so that the center of the cross lines coincides with point B. Then, mark point C directly below, or above, point A along the extended section of the horizontal laser line. Use a tape measure, ruler, to determine the deviation between point A and point C, and check whether the measured value is within the acceptable accuracy range. If the accuracy deviation don't match, you can also contact our support for help. HUPAR, embracing your idea tool at an ideal cost.